Hi, I'm Brendan Homan, coming to you from Toowoomba, the capital city of the world. Hey look, Toowoomba has always been a consistently strong performer when it comes to property investment. And look, I think that's because of the diversity of industry we have in this town. It's a great also place to live. We've got a good choice of schools. It's a great place to bring up families as well. Plus, also for the last 4 or 5 years, the creation of the Brisbane West Wellcamp Airport and also the Toowoomba Enterprise area, that Charlton Wellcamp Industrial Estate, has certainly been a big driver. And I tell you what, the amount of infrastructure that is going in out there is absolutely off the charts. But look, what that's done at the moment, we're in that period where we've actually had really good supply of new investment properties being created, both through, I guess, new houses as well as just investors coming and buying existing homes and turning them into rentals. And look, while Toowoomba's probably always had more demand from tenants than the available supply of rental homes, that's probably at a situation at the moment where it's equalled. And not in every segment of the market, may I say, and some more than others, but pretty much most properties at the moment, when they come for rental renewals, we are recommending that rents are not increasing. Just leave them where they are. Now, the flip side to that, I'm just going to quickly explain, and I'll use my own personal circumstances. I've got a couple of investment properties, and what I'm finding is that from what I was paying in interest to the bank 4 or 5 years ago to what I'm paying now, interest rates have really gone down. So I'm finding that most of my properties I'm paying between $40 and $60 a week less in interest. So yeah, of course I like to see that increase in rent coming in every time, but the reality is my costs have dropped. So at the moment I'm actually better off. So it's not a bad situation. However, there's also people who are in the investment property for the capital growth. And capital growth to some degree is based on what the rental returns are. So those people, I understand, are a little bit disappointed because obviously their properties are not increasing in growth as much. Whereas those who are in there for the long term and probably more interested in cash flow, it's a good thing. So look, suits some, not to others. However, I'm just going to reiterate that the investment property market in Toowoomba will remain strong for the long term. Sure, I think we'll probably be pretty much in our level where we are at the moment for certainly the next 12 months, possibly a little bit longer. But long term, there is just so much infrastructure, so many factory applications and new job industries being created into them at the moment, and these probably won't come online for maybe even another 12 months, 2 or 3 years. But when they do come online, like there's a milk factory being built and the applications at the moment. Now the first stage of that is 30 jobs, but they say when it's fully complete and built, which might be, I don't know, 10 years, there's going to be 1,000 jobs in that. That's 1,000 jobs we don't have now. And there is so many of these factories. So one might be 20 jobs, 30 jobs there, 120 jobs there, 50 jobs there. The thing is, all these factories are going to start coming online pretty close together. And all of those jobs are going to get created. And it's going to bring people to town. And then what happens after that is there is demand on housing. And then your house price will growth and everything. So property should always be a long-term investment. And look, I'm very confident in Toowoomba. Your long-term investment is very safe indeed. Are you interested in your comments? Please go to our Facebook page. I'm Brendan Homan from Remax Success. Have a great day.